Hey there, Makayla. I'm just looking at your icon set and I love it. Looks so good and fun. Um, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger here. So one thing I really like, which I honestly don't know if I've seen this, at least not recently, is I love how your background shape is so far away. The spread is so wide compared to where the actual shape is. The rule with drop shadows, which this is kind of like a drop shadow, is keep it light and keep it tight. Well, you've done something really unique and made your shadow really, really wide. So definitely not tight at all, but it looks so cool. Um, really like that a lot. Your shapes look awesome. Honestly, I'm not really um, thinking of a lot of different things you could do to improve them. I do notice this one and this one, they don't have like a jaw like the other ones do. So maybe just add that in for consistency. Um, like it's kind of here with the shadow, but these other ones you have a little bit clearer, so I would do that. And then on your ladies, they feel a tiny bit like they've been stretched upward. So I don't know if that's the case, but maybe I would just pull them a tiny bit wider. Um, they just feel proportionally very thin, these three. I don't know if that was a choice you made after looking at their images or what, but I think they might feel a little bit more natural if they were just a tiny bit wider. But I love these. They look really awesome, super creative and fun, and really, really well done. So I don't have a lot of critiques for you. You're off to a great start. You can have a pretty easy week when it comes to making some modifications to these. The colors are great. They're super consistent, really playful and awesome. So great work.